Hello there, welcome to Augmentech. If you are looking for professional training in MEP designing and modeling, you can reach out to us. We'll provide detailed and practical training to help you master the skills needed for your career. So, today in this lecture, we'll discuss the innovative tools every HVAC professional should use in 2024. So, let's start. So now the first tools that HVAC professionals should use in 2024 is smart thermostats. So these smart thermostats allow HVAC system to adjust temperature automatically based on occupancy, weather and usage pattern, improving energy efficiency and user comfort. Okay? So in a residential setup, the thermostat learns user preferences and adjusts cooling and heating schedule, saving energy and reducing utility bills. Okay. Second, we have a BIM software, means building information modeling software. So this BIM software generally enables HVAC professional to design, simulate and visualize HVAC system within a building digital twin, optimizing the design before installation. For example, we have a Autodesk Revit. So Autodesk Revit is one of the software of BIM. So all of you know that this software allow HVAC professional to create detailed 3D model. You can also perform the clash detection and simulate airflow. Okay. So during the design of any commercial building like office building, this Revit software helps ensure that ductwork and piping layout are collision free, saving time and resources during construction. Okay. Then the next tool is the ductwork design and sizing software. So these tools help engineers optimize duct design for efficient airflow and minimal energy loss. So we have a different software. For example, Duct Sizer by Elite software is also available. Macway Duct Sizer is available. So basically the software calculate duct sizes based on air velocity, friction rate and static pressure. Okay. Then the next one is the thermal imaging cameras. So these thermal imaging cameras identify hot or cold spot in HVAC system, aiding in quick diagnostic and repairs. So generally this type of camera used to locate insulation gaps in ductwork or pinpoint overheating component in rooftop HVAC units. Then the next tools is given here, wireless HVAC monitoring system. So this system allow technician to monitor and control HVAC system remotely, ensuring real-time problem solving and predictive maintenance. Okay. So for example, where we are using in a multi-story hotel, the technician generally use JobLink Pro to check system performance remotely and diagnose issue before they escalate. Then the next tool is given here, portable refrigerant recovery machine. So efficient recovery machine generally helps professional comply with environmental regulation by safely extracting and recycling refrigerant. Okay. Next tool, airflow and air quality monitors. So basically these tools measure airflow, humidity and air quality parameter to ensure HVAC systems provide a comfortable and healthy environment. Okay. For example, we have a Testo 440 air velocity and IAQ meter, indoor air quality meter, which generally measures CO2, temperature, humidity and air velocity with interchangeable probes. Okay. So used in hospital, generally this type of monitor to verify that the HVAC system meets indoor air quality standards, ensuring patient safety. Okay. Next is energy modeling software. So this energy modeling tools helps professional design energy efficient HVAC system by simulating building performance under different conditions. For example, we have a Trace 3D Plus by Trane. So this software, Trace 3D Plus, simulate energy consumption, calculate load, and optimize system design. So during the design of a green certified office building, Trace 3D Plus is used to select an HVAC system with minimal energy consumption and life cycle cost. So this is the main purpose. Next is leak detection tools. So these tools basically helps identify leaks in refrigerant line or duct system, preventing energy loss and environmental harms. Next is given here. Next tool is virtual reality training tools. In short, you can say VR training tools. So these VR tools provide immersive training experience, allowing HVAC professional to practice installation and troubleshooting in a simulated environment. Okay. Generally, the trainees use the tool to practice repairing a rooftop HVAC unit in a virtual setting, gaining hand-on experience without physical risk. Okay. Now the next tools is given smart toolkits for on-site diagnostic. So these smart toolkits integrate with mobile apps for real-time analysis of system performance. Okay, for example, Hillmall HVAC toolkits is available, which is essential tools like digital gauges, multimeters, and vacuum pumps integrated with mobile connectivity. Okay, so it is used during a service call to diagnose a chiller underperformance and generate a digital report for the client. Then finally, we have advanced HVAC simulators, means the simulation software which allow professional to test HVAC system design in various operating conditions to ensure efficiency and reliability. Like we have ANSYS Fluent, for example, ANSYS Fluent, which simulate fluid dynamics, including airflow and temperature distribution. So in a clean room design project, this ANSYS Fluent is used to simulate airflow pattern to prevent contamination. Okay. So these are the innovative tools which we have discussed that HVAC professionals should use in 2024. Hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.